Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, July 16th. Here we got a few economic news releases, and we got of course, the weekly jobless claims. We'll start off. Last week we had 296,000 people apply for unemployment. It was supposed to taper down a little bit to 285. The forecast it came in a little bit more of a taper at 281. So pretty much within realms, but still much better than 296. On the other hand, we got the manufacturing in the Philadelphia region called the Philadelphia Index. And last month we had a 15.2 on the index, and it was supposed to taper down to 12.5, and it tapered down much more than it did. So not so good right there at 5.7. Anything above 0 in this scenario is called expansion. Anything below is, of course, contraction. And Philadelphia, of course, contracted a lot more than they expected. NAHB Housing Market Index. This is kind of the confidence level of the home builders out there that basically remained the same throughout the whole thing. So June and July, they basically felt the same. So that could be okay right there. Basically a mixed bag of news here. We got the weekly job claims showing improvement. Not great because it's still at 280 above, but then Philadelphia Fed, coming much lower than they anticipated. And of course, housing stayed at the same confidence level. Stock market's up a little bit. A lot of that is riding on the waves of earnings reports that have come out. As we said, we are beginning of the second quarter of earnings reports. But later today, we'll have the day 2 of Yellen's congressional testimony before Senate. We don't really expect any changes from what statements she made yesterday before Congress. But the main thing is Greek Parliament approval of the ECB austerity measure. So now the ECB bank is sending over money to Greek to help them reopen their banks. There was, of course, a lot of people weren't real happy in Greece. There was some riots going on last night over there, but it did get passed, and of course we'll have to wait and see what happens. They have a repayment on the 20th, I believe it was, and we'll see if they can carry forward with their repayment of that debt as well. So basically, I think a lot of people are in the same opinion, whereas they think this is just being kind of the can being kicked down the street a bit. So this is just something that's kind of letting it prolong more than really it should be. But unfortunately, this is what they're doing right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market. And we start off lower than where we left off, but now since then we've actually reached the same level, and in some cases actually went above where we finished yesterday. So right now we're about within a few basis points, about 5 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. So it's not enough quite yet for price improvement, but it would definitely we could be on that verge. But notice how, look at this chart here, how many times we've hit the 10-day moving average, and it's kind of bounced back here. So these little wicks means it pushes back. Here we even touched back and it pushes way down. We hit here. So we not only here we have the 25-day moving average, so it kind of gets a double whammy here. So be cautious today with this as this kind of separates, and maybe it'll push us a little bit higher. I do think we will get to the 50-day moving average here, which has been kind of strong here as we got pushed down. But we'll have to wait and see if we can get above there today. If we can close above this today, then we're in pretty good shape. We could work our way up to the 50-day moving average. But if we don't, we could get pushed back down again a little bit before we can work our way up. But my feeling is this is going to be a kind of stronger push on our way upwards again. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Interest rates are about the same where we left off yesterday, as we did also have a price improvement yesterday. I did forget to mention that. We did have a price improvement yesterday with the rates kind of improving. So they're getting a little bit better. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.